Hey guys, what's up? This is Mo from tinhte.vn. Just bringing you a few updates about the new iPhone. Showing you the new iPhone 5S, 5C. Yeah, they're calling the cheap iPhone 5C. And here are some pictures showing you the comparison between the iPhone 5, iPhone 5C, and the iPhone 5S. The iPhone 5C is a cheaper version of the iPhone 5. It will, however, come in different colors, and it's got like a curved back, similar to the iPod Touch. But the camera will be the same as the iPhone 4S, apparently, from what I've heard. And the internals, like the hardware and stuff, will be like the iPhone 4S as well. So yeah, here are some pictures. Just enjoy.